My name is Bruce, and I am the International Area Manager for Asia Pacific at Leibinger. Asia Pacific is one of the most dynamic growth regions for our business. Since I joined Leibinger 2 years ago, we have grown strongly across key markets such as Korea, the Philippines, Vietnam, Thailand, and others. This success did not happen by chance. It's a result of a clear strategy, a strong product portfolio, and excellent partnership. Our pillar of this success is a strong network of long-standing partners. Together, we have expanded our presence, strengthened our market position, and built trusted relationships with customers across the region. The second pillar is our continued focus on new strategically important partnerships. They help us enter new markets, unlock new opportunities, and move closer to our customers. The closeness is crucial. Leibinger printers deliver world-leading CIJ technology, outstanding innovations, and proven made-in-Germany reliability. But the real impact comes when this technology is combined with local expertise, personal relationships, parts support, and deep understanding of each market. Together with our partners, we bring exactly this value to our customer: highly reliable coding and marking solution, maximum production uptime, and service they can count on directly on site. To all our partners, thank you for your commitment, your trust, your strong collaborations. Our growth is strong, our partnerships are strong, and together we are ready for next level.